Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. So, a lot of you have asked me this question. Can we use the law of attraction and Ho'oponopono together? Well, my dear friends, you can certainly use the two concepts together because in reality, the only thing important we have to keep in mind is why are we using each of them? So today, let's clear all these doubts we have, maybe a lot of misconceptions as well about using the law of attraction and the Ho'oponopono philosophy together. The first thing, let's understand what is the law of attraction. The law of attraction, as the name suggests, is a law. It's something we are consciously as well as unconsciously using all the time. The law of attraction is the law of life. And this law suggests that whatever it is that we are putting out into this world, in terms of our energy and vibration, we are attracting back into our own lives. So, how does the law of attraction help us in changing our lives? The short answer is, if we become conscious of what our goals, what our intentions are, if we try to make our intentions and our expectations as positive as possible, then we will be literally able to change our energy, our vibration. And this vibration will then be picked up by the law of attraction and it will start bringing us more of whatever it is that we want. So basically, the law of attraction helps us become more stronger, conscious creators of our own lives. This law can be applied consciously and joyfully to bring us whatever it is that we want in our lives. Then what is the role of a concept and philosophy of Ho'oponopono? You see, Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian word which means to correct, to clear, to release, to remove. So how does this concept fit in to the law of attraction? How does this concept help us in manifesting our dreams? Well, the answer is very simple. One of the things that often comes in the way of us attracting what we want and being in a positive vibration and frame of mind is, I'm sure you will agree, the past. So many of us struggle to come out of our past. So many of us are spending our lives in resentments, in many conscious and unconscious patterns and belief systems that could be governing our lives. And so, any person who wishes to raise their vibration must familiarize themselves with the concept of letting go, releasing. And what are we really trying to release? Many conscious patterns. For example, you may be aware that you feel fear. You may be aware of the fact that you are experiencing a lot of negative emotions like guilt. Maybe you don't love yourself. You don't find yourself worthy enough to achieve your results and goals in your life. Then, in such a case, with such negative emotions, it becomes very difficult to attract your goals and your dreams. In fact, it's so difficult to live our lives with these negative emotions. If we are constantly feeling these negative emotions, we don't enjoy our present moment. We don't enjoy the beautiful gifts and blessings that life could have in store for us. So Ho'oponopono as a philosophy is reminding us that the only way to achieve more in life is to let go. So this concept beautifully fits in to the law of attraction. Anybody who wishes to apply the law of attraction, in fact, must apply the letting go process and principle in their lives as well. Ho'oponopono suggests that every problem, every negative experience we are having in our life is only a memory that is running in our subconscious minds. And so, if we want to achieve something in our lives, we must start to clean up our past. We must start taking 100% responsibility for our own lives. So, Ho'oponopono is all about gaining complete freedom from the past. This freedom, which will help us raise our vibration, experience mindfulness, experience present moment awareness, and as a result, we will start building up a positive frame of mind. We will start developing a better connection with our subconscious minds. However, my dear friends, there is one big mistake we make when it comes to using Ho'oponopono in our lives and wanting to achieve more. You see, when you are cleaning on your past, when you are focusing on releasing negative emotions, and when you are applying the beautiful concept of Ho'oponopono, you are only thinking of overcoming your past. You are thinking of building a strong connection with your subconscious mind. This is not the time when you are intending your dreams, you're intending your goals or affirming for your dreams. Let me give you a simple example to understand this point. Supposing you have a glass of water. You see, you notice that this glass does not have fresh water. So what would you want to do? You would want to first empty the glass so that you can fill it back again with fresh water. So when you're doing Ho'oponopono, that's what you're doing. You're trying to empty this glass so that you can fill it up with fresh water. That means with all the beautiful things you want in your life. So when you are cleaning, you only clean. You do not intend anything. This is the time when you're simply trying to do your release work. You are simply trying to let go and let God show you the way. So Ho'oponopono is all about releasing negative emotions, connecting with your inner child, and trusting the divine to show you the way ahead. Whenever we clean and we try to work on our past, we are always trying to reach a powerful state called zero, which is nothing but present moment awareness. You are right there in the present moment, raising your vibration, feeling much better than before, feeling just the way you would feel when you would actually have achieved your goals. But while you are doing your cleaning, do not think about what is going to happen. Do not think about your goal. Do not think about all the action steps you need to take, because all these thoughts will affect the process of letting go. Whenever we try to let go, we let go of all our expectations. So when you are cleaning, you only focus on cleaning. You only focus on releasing and freeing yourself from the past. And when you are consciously using the law of attraction, you can choose some time, few minutes of the day to do your law of attraction exercises like visualization, like reading your goals, affirming positive statements. So both these processes should not be mixed at the same time. When you are trying to forgive, when you are trying to release and free yourself from the past, only focus on releasing these negative emotions. There is no need to think of your goals at that time. And when you are doing your cleaning work, simply focus on feeling better. Simply focus on being in the present moment. Only focus on feeling a sense of peace and a sense of ease. If you start doing this, you can beautifully use both these concepts of the law of attraction as well as Ho'oponopono, and you will really start seeing amazing results. Both these concepts don't contradict each other. In fact, they can beautifully be used together. But all you must do is be mindful. When you are cleaning, do your cleaning. And while you're doing your law of attraction exercises, you can keep your goals in your mind. As you go deeper into the concept of Ho'oponopono, you will actually reach a stage where you will want to clean on every intention that comes to your mind. Ho'oponopono is a concept which needs to be practiced on a daily basis. And the more you do it, the more you get better at connecting with your own self. You get better at connecting with your subconscious mind, and you start feeling more powerful. You start feeling more stronger, empowered, clearer than before, and more focused on your goals and your life. Remember, anybody who has ever achieved big things in their lives has always focused on the present moment. If you're out of the present moment, you have weakened your vibration, and this low vibration will always come in the way of us manifesting our dreams and our desires. Start adopting the principle of letting go, and you will surely start manifesting your goals and your desires with more joy, with more ease. I hope you enjoyed this video, and start focusing on bettering your relationship with your own subconscious mind. You give importance to cleaning in your life as well. Lots more on Ho'oponopono and Law of Attraction coming up. If you like this video, then share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.